How are you? I hope you are well. So let's start with a new blog. So friends, my today's blog topic is Afghan girls education, Afghan girls and women's education. So friends, this when the Trump government has gone and Joe Biden has come, that at that time when America returned his soldiers to from rescues from Afghanistan to America, the Taliban has made with a war and take his uh, take place on as Taliban rule. So the when the first time Joe Biden has in government, uh, then it was the Taliban rule has been forced to Afghanistan. So friends, when it was all happened and the Taliban rule has been happened, the girl and the woman's uh, right to education has been ended. So friends, this was a very big mistake for Afghanistan. The even Taliban did not know about these things. Teenage Taliban girls has been banned from schooling. 8 of 10 girls has been not uh, come to school and did not give a proper education. But also it is that the girls has been now turned to online. He he reject the ban of Taliban rule and back to online education. So nowadays the UNICEF has been urged Taliban to lift the ban on National Women's Education Day. But friends, you can not know one fact that uh, Taliban has made some religious school. Where religious school, it means some religious type content has been teached to our to Afghans boys and not for only in this also school girls are not girls are cannot join the education. No right. Some girl, a viral post of a Afghanistan girl has been right that there is no right to us. But one thing has been uh, in uh, I like in India that there is be saying that हाथी के मुंह में जीरा. So it's pronounced, it's mean that a very little thing for a elephant. It is that uh, Afghan girls had study in Pakistan, so it is called हाथी के मुंह में जीरा. So friends, uh, how so friends, let's going to end my today's blog. And if you liked my blog, if you feel happy if you feel uh, good, please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And friends, tell me what's the next blog you want to, and which type of portion you like. Bye bye.